Here is a beginner-level sales manager quiz that covers revenue generation, sales strategy execution, and competitive selling and market adaptation. Let's go! Question 1. Which of the following is a direct responsibility of a sales manager? A. Running social media campaigns. B. Generating revenue through direct sales efforts. C. Creating product packaging. And D. Managing company payroll. Answer: generating revenue through direct sales efforts. Question 2. Which activity contributes the most to revenue generation in sales? A. Following up with leads and closing deals. B. Preparing marketing strategies. C. Hiring administrative staff. And D. Reviewing company policies. Answer: following up with leads and closing deals. Question 3. Why is revenue generation considered a core metric in sales? A. It helps design the company logo. B. It tracks customer complaints. C. It measures how well sales efforts convert into income. And D. It evaluates employee attendance. Answer: it measures how well sales efforts convert into income. Question 4. What is a key goal of sales strategy execution? A. Building a website. B. Reducing staff size. C. Planning vacation calendars. And D. Aligning team activities with business objectives. Answer: aligning team activities with business objectives. Question 5. Which step comes first in sales strategy execution? A. Launching a random product. B. Defining target market and sales goals. C. Cutting prices without research. And D. Hiring more designers. Answer: defining target market and sales goals. Question 6. What is the role of a sales manager in executing a sales strategy? A. Monitoring campaigns from the HR team. B. Creating employee onboarding manuals. C. Leading the sales team to meet strategic goals. And D. Coordinating only with product packaging. Answer: leading the sales team to meet strategic goals. Question 7. How can a sales manager track progress in sales strategy execution? A. By measuring revenue, conversion rates, and territory performance. B. Through customer service feedback forms. C. By checking office attendance logs. And D. By monitoring social media likes. Answer: by measuring revenue, conversion rates, and territory performance. Question 8. What defines competitive selling? A. Reducing prices only to beat competitors. B. Communicating superior value and benefits compared to competitors. C. Avoiding discussions about other companies. And D. Copying competitor websites. Answer: communicating superior value and benefits compared to competitors. Question 9. Which of the following is a key aspect of market adaptation? A. Ignoring customer complaints. B. Repeating the same sales tactics regardless of results. C. Adjusting offerings based on market trends and feedback. And D. Eliminating customer service teams. Answer: adjusting offerings based on market trends and feedback. Question 10. What enables a sales team to stay competitive? A. Constantly improving product knowledge and competitive analysis. B. Ignoring competitors. C. Focusing only on internal processes. And D. Using outdated sales materials. Answer: constantly improving product knowledge and competitive analysis. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. How can a sales manager help their team adapt to market shifts? A. Ignore changing customer demands. B. Focus on traditional selling regardless of results. C. Provide updated tools, training, and insights. And D. Restrict team autonomy. Answer: provide updated tools, training, and insights. Question 12. A competitive sales strategy should be built on A. Guesswork and short-term discounts. B. Deep understanding of customer needs and competitor weaknesses. C. Promises without follow-through. And D. A rigid, unchanging playbook. Answer: deep understanding of customer needs and competitor weaknesses. Question 13. What can a sales manager do to ensure consistent revenue growth? A. Avoid risk and maintain old strategies. B. Focus only on one large client. C. Skip team meetings. And D. Track performance and make data-driven adjustments. Answer: track performance and make data-driven adjustments. Question 14. Which of the following best describes a revenue-focused mindset? A. Maximizing activities that contribute to income. B. Reducing customer interaction. C. Prioritizing admin tasks over client meetings. And D. Limiting outreach to existing customers. Answer: maximizing activities that contribute to income. Question 15. Why is aligning sales strategy with company goals important? A. It reduces workload for the finance team. B. It ensures all sales actions support growth targets. C. It helps in planning HR activities. And D. It decreases product prices. Answer: it ensures all sales actions support growth targets. Question 16. Which action reflects proactive market adaptation? A. Waiting for competitors to act first. B. Ignoring feedback from the frontline team. C. Avoiding data from customer insights. And D. Launching a new campaign based on trend analysis. Answer: launching a new campaign based on trend analysis. Question 17. What is a key result of successful sales strategy execution? A. Increased customer satisfaction and consistent revenue. B. Reduced team collaboration. C. Lower employee morale. And D. Decreased product value. Answer: increased customer satisfaction and consistent revenue. Question 18. In a competitive market, what differentiates top-performing sales teams? A. Their resistance to change. B. Their use of old sales scripts. C. Their ability to sell on value, not just price. And D. Their low customer engagement. Answer: their ability to sell on value, not just price. Question 19. What is a sign that a sales strategy needs revision? A. Regular achievement of targets. B. Sales targets consistently missed despite effort. C. Increasing number of high-value deals. And D. Positive customer feedback. Answer: sales targets consistently missed despite effort. Question 20. Which of the following drives long-term competitive advantage in sales? A. Copying competitors. B. Ignoring innovation in the market. C. Reducing quality for faster delivery. And D. Adapting sales techniques to fit evolving customer behavior. Answer: adapting sales techniques to fit evolving customer behavior. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.